guys, welcome back to our channel. This video is gonna be basically just a vlog of us finding decorations for our apartment and trying to fix it up some because we don't really have much right now. But
quite a bit.
Yeah, we have enough, but we're trying to make it look cute. But yesterday we went to Target, got a few things. I'll show that clip right here. Got like lighters that we needed, toothpicks, like kitchen stuff. This little cute spoon holder for your oven or stovetop. Our pool gets really bad mosquitoes. What?
It's pretty good. Carbach, Oktoberfest. We're sponsored, so I have to give a shout out.
Oh yeah, for sure. Not sponsored.
I wish.
But our pool has pretty bad mosquitoes, as we can tell right now, so we got this candle to bring down with us. All this stuff is bathroom. Little command strips, we're actually gonna put these like right here in our little nook by the front door to hang our masks.
The new norm.
Yeah, the new norm. All of these are cool coffee table books, but you can like take the cover off of this one. And it's black. It's about Elton John, so that's pretty dope. 2 Magnolia ones. These cool Magnolia huge black coffee mugs. Little vases that were $1. Mirror, of course, antibacterial wipes. And then because it's September, baby, it's almost October, pumpkin candles. Right now, we just got some stuff from HomeGoods, and now we're probably gonna go to Crate and Barrel, and we'll figure out, you'll see. But stay tuned for the rest of the video to see what our apartment's gonna look like. Like and subscribe down below and follow my Instagram. I'll be posting a ton of stuff on there on my stories. We already got our coffee table, our couch, pretty much all of our furniture. A rug, that should be coming soon. But stay tuned for the rest of the video. I like all these kind of picture frames, especially like this kind with the matting. That would look really cool. I like how these are like perfectly square. I wish it was bigger than that, but I mean that could work too. I don't really know. Decorating is so tough. Came to Target to return that Elton John book that we got last night at Target because it was like dented on the top. But now we're gonna look for some decorations too while we're at it. We have the whole Magnolia section and picture frames. They're still on the phone. But we're just gonna look around here some too. I'll show you what we see. All the Magnolia stuff looks so good.
Yeah, and hers are pretty good. She's on her drawing.
That's a nice bowl. Oh, this would be cool. I don't really know what we put in it though. Oh, we got these yesterday when we came here. We got those mugs, got 2 of them. But I don't know. I mean, I like all the candles. We have enough candles. Don't really need those little stick things. We're trying to find some like fake plants, like fake pampas or something like that. Oh, and yesterday we were even looking at this huge, like, like just for my size reference, this is like a gallon. I think it says like 14 liters or something, or 12 liters on it. But that's really cool. But I think we'll wait on that. We have enough clear vases right now.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is really cool too. But I think Dill just said it's too big for the nook. I don't know. This Target, what? Oh, a futon, yeah. Trying to get a futon for a second room.
Yeah, we are.
Oh yeah, that could work. Not bad. Ooh, these are so cute. How much is that though? Oh, I don't want to drop it. Why doesn't it say? I'll have to look it up, but those are really cute. Be so cool.
Oh, it's right there.
Where? Oh, right in front. Look at what just arrived. We got a Peloton. It's a few days later since we got our Peloton. We got our rug. It's like this hand-woven cream rug from Rugs USA. Now we're just waiting for canvases to come and the artwork to go in this spot and something else is gonna go here. Hey guys, it's a few days later. I'm here with my mom. She came to Dallas. We're going into Crate and Barrel because Dylan and I actually didn't end up going whenever we tried to go a couple weekends ago, but I'll show you if we find anything. And we also went into Tuesday morning, and I'll put the clip here of the cool tray that we got. Hopefully it'll go like on the wine shelf or on the coffee table or something. But let's go into Crate and Barrel. Oh yeah, that's cute.
But there's one that has just a thin base.
Yeah. Oh, and like this whole setup is cute. Like those plates. And those are really cool. And
Yeah.
that looks so cool.
I don't have much more.
Let's see if they have the glasses. I don't see the
What
one.
they look like without the emblem. I mean, I do, but I don't.
Yeah. I don't see them. 'Cause those are like all the beer ones up there. Let's find the wine glasses. Oh, they have the wine ones. Get some of these. Oh yes, this is what we were wanting. This. It's a skull candle. It'd be so
Do
cool.
you really light? You don't light it then.
Well, you can, and it would like melt down. It'd be so cool. Let's see, like one of these. We could even like look up and see if they're cheap online. Trying to get the stickers off. But got these. So cute for beer, coffee, anything like that. Got this desk from CB2. It's their acrylic console table, but it's actually like perfect. Finally got the rug mat in so we don't slip all around.
Can you do it? Yeah. Let me see your angry face. Who's strong?
Me.
Me. Okay, ready? So it's gotta go over that plug. Okay. 1, 2, 3. To the door.
How's our form? So today we went to IKEA again. Got one of these glass tops for the dresser to match our nightstands. Makes it look a lot nicer and just better. But we gotta drill some holes. We're finally gonna put together our artwork. You know. Oh my gosh, we have to lift all of these up.
Oh, maybe you can't tell when you put the thing on. Fit?
Yeah.
Hey, this one works.
Perfect. So the other picture that we got from Society 6 is this one. It's just super simple, and we just put like this thing here for now. But I think it looks better if we were to put that there, take that off, and then I'm wanting to put like a mirror behind there. Probably be a little bit before we get that, because mirrors are really expensive and it's really hard to find one that is like domed how I want it to be right here. So now we have that one hung up. Think it's all coming together. My canvases came in, so now I get to finally make my artwork.
It's looking good. Here, this'll help.
It's the next morning and we finished hanging these up last night, but it was like pitch black and I couldn't really show y'all anything. But they look so good. Took us a while to hang them up. You can't see, but up there, Dill made a hole in the wall.
Don't
Or-
hang and drink.
Yeah, don't hang anything and drink. Don't give a guy a hammer if he's had anything to drink. That's for sure.
Mom, I didn't drink.
But now I think we're all done. This Dylan's mom purchased, I believe. These are the books we got from Target. Those were from Target, and then actually those beads are the main thing that I wanted to show y'all. Those I ordered from Etsy. I can leave the link down below. This I got from World Market. That I've had for a while. I had that at home. I think I got it from Target. Those are the books we got from Target. Both of those Dylan has had since we got engaged for our engagement party. And then that's my cactus I got probably about a year ago here in Dallas at Trader Joe's. We ended up putting all of this over here. I think it looks cute. Have our pots that we're still waiting for, like some pampas grass to put in there. Our bedroom, just super simple. That right there, basically all done. Thanks so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe down below, and stay tuned for more videos.
Or don't. We don't care.
Don't listen to Dylan. Bye.